Welcome back to Simple Learning. Today we are going to discussing about how we can hear our microphone live voice through our PC's speaker. We can do it very simply. Let's see how we can do it. For that, we have to take the control panel. Just search the control panel in the search section and click on the control panel. Then you will get a window like this. Here you have to click on the hardware and the sound option. Click on that. Then you will get another window. Here you have to click on the sound option. Okay. Here you can see our microphone connected, Logitech microphone. You have to take the properties of microphone. Before that, you have to click on the record settings. And here you can see the microphone. Right click on the microphone and take the properties. Here you can see some options on the top side of the window, top portion of the window. You have to click on the listen option. Here you can see an option including a box. You have to tick on the box and click on apply option and click on OK. Yeah. From now onwards, you can hear your microphone's live voice through your PC speaker or laptop speaker. Okay, let's try. And for more videos, you have to subscribe Simple Learning. Keep in touch with us and see you on next video. Thank you.